What's up, everybody? What's up? I am back today and I'm going to do a review on this new edge control that I got from Naturall Hair Club. And so today is game day for my son, and I'm putting this hair up in the bun so that I can play mommy for the day at the football game. So let me get this hair into a bun and we'll get started. First things first though, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right under my video, as well as, but not limited to, go ahead and find me on my Instagram, which is precious_DDK kisses. You can also find me on Facebook at Journey to Long Hair. I have a group there. Check me out. So before further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so this is how it comes. I just opened the box, as you could tell. It came in this cute little box. It took about 5 days to get here. I hated waiting that long for something, especially with high shipping. I'll leave the price and all the other information down in the description box. This is the size of it right here. That's what it looks like. If you can see it, yes you can. And it is black, and I need that in my life. Let's see what it does for this hair. Let me get it up in a bun first, and then we can work on these edges that are missing. So a few things while I get this ponytail up. I'm spraying with my little spray concoction. Let me know if you want to know what's in here. It is very moisturizing. And if you can't tell, my hair is red. Like I have naturally light brown hair, and I hate it. And I'm about to put black edge gel on my light brown hair. And so I'm thinking about dyeing my hair black. It might look fuller or thicker black, so that's the plan for it. Also, this is an old twist out that I had from the Mono's hairline, and I'm just turning it into a quick top knot bun. Nothing special. I'll do a really nice top knot bun later on, but this is going to be a quick little top knot bun to be sporty for the day. So I'm using my Equal Styler on my edges, around my edges right now. I am literally running in press for time. So I'm just gonna put it all around real quick. This is like literally my 15-minute do. I think I do this almost every weekend, just trying to do something quick if my hair is not styled already, because I'm a basketball mom, I'm a football mom, I'm a band mom, and I'm King's mom, which is a big job. So this is how I get it done. Watch me work. And now I'm just gonna brush this up. I'm not even bothering to comb through it right now. Yeah. So you want to know about the edges? Here's a good view of my edges. I do have alopecia on the sides from chemical burns, and some in the front as well from when I was a child. Long story. And where I live, they did not take care of it until I got with my mom. So normally I kind of swoop my thicker hair down because it's not completely bald. It's just under there. I have a spot or two that never healed, and I usually just kind of swoop it and nobody never knows. But today I'm showing it all, and in pursuit of getting this done rather quickly. And my ponytail is up. And this is the wrong ponytail holder, y'all. I never use this one. This is one of my son's, but I need to make this work quick, so it's time to walk out the door. I'm going to go ahead and use the second one because the first one ain't doing what it needs to do. This is as good as it's gonna get for today. And I twist it around. And this is it, people. I am gonna put my edges down, tie my head, put a wrap on my head, smooth my hair down with a wrap. This stuff is black, but we'll see what it does. Oh, that's a lot. That might be doing way too much for somebody like me. Oh wait, oh that looks good. Do y'all see that? Okay, come through. Come on now. Let's get right here. I don't want to look like I'm wearing no damn Beijing. Y'all see that? So I have edges right here. I have a cowlick, so I just thought it would be fun to do this side too. I'm gonna go back in and fix all of that. But so far, I like how that looks. I low-key like it. What is that in my hair? It look like I got edges, y'all. And that's good enough for me. Let me tie down my hair and I will be back with how it ends up looking and how it holds up throughout the duration of the day after I come back. Okay, so I have my scarf on and I am dressed and ready to walk out the door. Looking crazy. And I'm going to take this off, but my bun is intact. I'm going to take this off with the hopes of it doing well. So before I do all of that, let me get into this real quick. So again, this is the Naturall Flaxseed Edge Control Black. It's supposed to cover gray roots, but I'm using it because I have bald spots on the side of my hair from alopecia. Not all of it is not bald, but it's enough to where I have to work to cover it. So okay, so this thing says that gently smooth edges down with fingertips, did that, or a small brush to lay down flyaways and edges. Repeat steps if additional hold is needed. Freshly made benefits, lays edges effortlessly. Long-lasting hold, moisturizes, anti-reversion, non-greasy, flake-free. Well, we'll see when we take this off. It says it's good on wet or dry hair and apply in small amounts to control your edges. So we're gonna see if this did what it was supposed to do. And let me see if I can get this light better. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. Let's get into it. I messed up my little bun and everything. And I just swooped both of them. I mean, just brushed up both of my edges with this. So there's one edge right there. I think it covered very nicely, very naturally. It's not too black. There's the other side. I think that looks amazing. Do you see that, y'all? Like, that looks amazing. It's not a hard hold. It's still soft, but it's there. It's not going crazy. Listen, I give it a thumbs up. I'm hard on products, but I give this a thumbs up all day. All day. So, okay, Naturall That's 2 for 2. My other Naturall, I'll link it right here with their deep conditioner. Bomb. It is bomb. It is bomb. Deep conditioner is the best I've ever used ever. So I definitely am feeling Naturall. So that is it for this video. Please smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. Also, you can find me on Facebook at Journey to Long Hair. Go ahead and look me up on Instagram. It's precious_DDK Kisses. And in the meantime, I'll see you in between times. Peace.